Reserve voting to hold interest rates steady following a series of higher than expected inflation reports and strong jobs numbers. It could set the stage for a clash between the Fed and the new Trump administration, which wants to see immediate rate cuts. National correspondent Atra El-Nashar with the story.
A potential storm brewing between the new president and the country's politically independent central bank. Despite pressure from President Trump, the Federal Reserve decided against an interest rate cut at their latest meeting, as expected.
With our policy stance significantly less restrictive than it had been and the economy remaining strong, we do not need to be in a hurry to adjust our policy stance.
After 3 rate cuts at the end of 2024, the Fed hopes holding the federal funds rate steady will cool demand enough to slow the rate of inflation, even though it means pain for consumers through high mortgage and credit card rates. Fed Chair Jerome Powell and his colleagues have been laser focused on striking the right balance of taming inflation without pushing the economy into recession. Now, Powell's up against political pressure from the man who chose him for the job in 2017.
With oil prices going down, I'll demand that interest rates drop immediately, and likewise, they should be dropping all over the world.
The economic pain that comes with high interest rates is antithetical to the president's promise to Americans to quickly slash their cost of living. Here's former Atlanta Fed President Dennis Lockhart.
It could turn out to be, a very awkward situation that develops if President Trump keeps calling for lower rates.
The new Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has sent mixed signals about how he views the Fed's independence. Here's what he told senators last week before they voted to confirm him.
I think on monetary policy decisions, the FOMC should be independent.
And here's what he said about Trump and the Fed in October.
He wants to play a role in setting interest rates. How deliberate will he be if he's reelected on that front?
Well, he wants to have a voice. He wants to be involved in the conversation. He has very well-formed opinions.
The Fed won't make its next decision on interest rates until it meets again in mid-March. In Washington, I'm Atra El-Nashar.